Are you looking for the best drones for under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Ryze Tello. I started photographing the event using my all-time favorite drone, the Ryze Tello, ready to celebrate my achievement of being accepted into medical school. I've flown my drone 3 times since getting it for under $100 yesterday, and I've gotten around 12 minutes out of the battery's promised 13 minutes of flight time. It responds quickly. I make every effort to keep the setting as realistic as possible. As a result, I search for sun reflections in the window glass. So far, I've taken it to a few exciting locales and found it quick, effective, and discreet. It's the best drone for under $100 I've ever used. It's a drone with a camera mounted on the nose that can shoot 5MP photos and broadcast 720p HD video. Thanks to the 720p camera, I can regard the movement through my drone's eyes and sees photos and videos while fleeing. The flight time is 13 minutes. However, I only got a little over 11 minutes with the minimum full charge. Number 2, Holystone HS110D. Pre-game warm-ups in indoor sports provide me with some of the best opportunities for ease shots of athletes. I used an all-around drone to track the spread of globalization at a basketball tournament. Since my indoor sports photography career commenced, the Holystone HS110D has been caressing me with its flawless behavior. Hence, the best all-around drone I bought for around $100 was my company throughout the basketball tournament. I can grasp mobility with less effort and have more opportunities to emphasize certain players in the picture. It can, however, shoot 1080p HD video, which should be enough for me, especially given how little it is. The results are remarkable, especially considering the size of the bundle. It's also worth mentioning that I'm not flying with my phone. With simply the controller and field vision, I can fly this all-around drone. The all-around drone can stay steady in the air because of this feature. Because of this feature, the drone does not need to be in motion all the time, and your fingers do not need to be on the joysticks. Number 3, Cheerwing Simo X5 SWV3. When my kid witnesses drones, they stimulate all of his sanities, making him need them and forcing him to lust for them. I only held a budget of $100 and hoped to buy a godsend drone for $100. I presented my son the Cheerwing Simo X5 SWV3, the best beginner drone for under $100, as a present when he blew his 13th candle, and he has been flying it ever since. By entertaining the surroundings, he can develop magnificence without needing any props. The ease of use of the kid's drone fulfilled his wish to discover more. The drone is created with endurance and aesthetics in mind. I fly it indoors and outside, and it does tricks with the press of a button, making it perfect for me. This drone is composed of heavy-duty plastic and is resistant to harm from collisions and falls. I rearranged the bits that did break. The motors and pinion gears are enclosed to keep hairs, dust, and debris from causing damage or interfering with motor operation. The drone's Wi-Fi camera, which is 2.0 MP, allows for real-time video transmission to my smartphone. I can view the video footage recorded by the drone as it is captured. I operate the camera using a smartphone app I downloaded. The newest 6-axis gyro technology, 3D lock, allows for a 360-degree flip with only one button press. I had a flawless and fantastic performance with continuous rolling. Number 4, Sanrock Q52. As a film fan, I am constantly eager to create inspired short films because of their schematic formulation process. I'd had the idea for a small Christmas film for a long time. I aimed to bring together Christmas and its development by making a video. Similarly, I sought a drone that would allow me to follow my ambition of becoming a filmmaker while staying within my budget of around $100. Consequently, the Quadcopter HD camera drone was chosen as the most delicate filming drone for under $100. Using HBO's video shooting skills, I framed a holiday-themed film that had been ranked #1. The LED lights also have multiple purposes. They indicate when the filming drone's compass has been wholly calibrated, which I perform before flying. This drone's official flying time is 18 minutes, a reasonable time for a drone of this caliber. The LEDs begin to flash and stay bright when I switch on the remote and hold it for a few seconds. Number 5. Holy Stone GPS. In this line, I once studied a global Olympics that had many participants from all over the world competing in this course to display their sportsmanship. I brought the Hubsan X4 quadcopter with FPV camera, the most delicate hobby drone for under $100. With me to live stream the view for an extended period. Award-winning sports flicks and tremendous athletic moves continue to plague my head. My productivity increased due to making fantastic sports films in a single frame. It is a camera and is an FPV, first-person view, drone, so you can see what the drone camera views. A drone with an FPV function is undoubtedly one of the primary attractions of this drone. After all, I am always eager to know what it's like to fly, and other than parachuting or donning a wingsuit and jumping off a cliff, this FPV camera drone is the next best choice.